Hello, party people! It is Randee and Jefferson for Thunderhorse Descendant. Here we are on a Saturday.
Doing Saturday stuff.
Doing Saturday stuff. We're supposed to be recording videos, but we're not doing that because Randee wanted to go to the craft show. I was like, oh yeah, let's go to the craft show. And Jeff was like, when do you want to leave? And I was like, 13 minutes. So here we are back from the craft show. We ran into a whole bunch of really cool artists and vendors while we were there. So the craft show was in North Branch at the community center, right?
North Branch Community Center.
North Branch Community Center. This was our first show, so it was super exciting. There was quite a lot of vendors there. I guess I didn't count them, but there was quite a few of them. And they had a hot dog stand, which I really enjoyed. So
Okay, so I'm going to show you the art that I got from Barbara Vandell Robinson, local Minnesota artist. And this is acrylic on board. This is called A Touch of Fall. I love that for me to go in my office. And then for some contrasting color, I have Sunflower Study number 1 by the same artist. And I think these were both done last year. So those look cool together. I also got from Granger's Garden some scented soaps. You see those? They are citrus and pine and sage and chamomile. And then we also got some mixed wildflowers. Some calendula, cleome, cosmos, and marigolds. So we get those planted up as soon as we get to spring. And then I think it was Joy's doTERRA with some lotion with magnesium and copaiba, coconut oil. They're pretty good stuff. I've already put some on. It smells pretty nice.
Bunsen loves it.
Look at it. Bunsen probably loves it.
So,
Yeah, probably wants to lick it.
probably does.
And I think that's all I got.
Bunsen's helping. Bunsen's helping. So
I'm
what you
gonna
got
put
at
them in
the...
my office.
Okay, let me show you what Jake got at the show. Jake, gonna show your cool bow off? Oh yes, Jake got it. We won this in the door prizes. We got a one for Jake that attaches to his collar, and then one for Lily. Jake picked the blue one. I let him pick. He kind of likes this pink one. He kind of likes the pink one. Lily got a new scarf. These are handmade. I really like these for dog collars because they have, or dog bandanas. Lily wears a lot of bandanas, and these ones have the breakaway clasp on them. So they look like this. They have a little stretchy, which I like that because then if they get hung up on something, they can try to, break away without losing their collar, but also it has the breakaway snaps. So those are the only ones that I put on her. I don't put on ones that attach to her collar or anything like that. Come here, Lil. Lil, come here. Lily. Quit paying attention to your dad. Come here. Liller. Jeez. Okay. We want to show off the... Sit down. Good girl. So see, here's this. She says hello. And they're also reversible. So she's got white buffalo plaid on one side, red on the other. We're going white today. May as well. May as well, right, Lil? And I see all this business on the floor. These are all these little cat toys. They're like little balls of yarn. This gal was selling from Little Finn.
Did they have the strings attached to them?
No, I tied that one on because...
I'll take them off so we can see what it looks like.
Oh, well... Winter wanted the string on there.
Oh, is that so?
That's so. So Lily got a plaid, and then she also got a lovely 4-H. This is not the cutest fabric you've ever seen. If you're a 4-H kid, you get it. Look, he's washing the horse. And then on this side, it has 4-H clovers. So super cute. And then she got a Christmas. She offered to make us some custom ones, but I I was like, that's fine. We'll just go with what you got because we don't want to cause any extra problems. So she can use this one at Christmas. But that's because they had a lot of sports teams and stuff, and we own sports, huh, Lily? Sports, whole life sports. So anyway, with that going on, and then I'm going to show you some of my books I got.
Here's some art that Randee chose too, from the same artist.
Oh yeah, I picked these out for the. Probably going to put them in here by my computer.
By your office?
Yeah. So these are pen and ink. So these are all originals and they're all dotted. It's really cool. Mm-hmm. So we got those. And then I got these books. Oh. What are you two trying to do?
Puppy playtime.
Is it puppy playtime? Oh, sassy pants. So I got these little books I wanted to talk about, which are super great. I've got this Mr. Bunsen. He's Mr. Bunsen, are you for sale? He's just sitting on all the everything. And then this guy is another cool one that I got. So this one is from Little Thin, and I'll open it. I'm gonna set my tripod up and I'll show it to you guys. Mr. Bunsen. Oh yeah, my little ghost. This is my little ghost. Look, my little ghost is wearing blush. This is a handmade little ghost.
You gotta go listen to the White Stripes song.
Yeah, listen to the White Stripes.
Little ghost.
Little ghost. He's wearing blush. Is that not the cutest thing? Jefferson bought him for me. By Kim. I can't see. What does this say? Cat. Crazy Cat Creations. Crazy Cat Creations. I was like, wait, what? So anyways, I got him. He is a handmade little ghost, which I think is amazing. Put him next to my Edna from, what's the name of that movie? The Incredibles. And so that's what I'm doing today. Then I got this little chicken for my aunt. It's just the little cute little chicken. And we got a card. Where'd you get this card from?
I got that from the same people I got the eyeglass holder.
Oh yeah, she was saying her daughter?
Her daughter-in-law, who had just passed not too long ago, I think.
Was a artist.
Was an artist in Minnesota that did a lot of really great works, it looks like.
Yeah. Then I got a pack of cards. Oh, this is the cutest thing, you guys.
No, I was pretty impressed with all the little reprints on these cards, so I had to have them.
These are the cutest. And then Jeff bought a little keychain too from this gal. So of course they're giraffes, you know. But she was just cute. Her name was what was her name? Sahara. And it was her very first craft show, and she had her jewels out there. So we had to make some purchases from her.
Well, maybe it was Soraya.
And she was there with her dad, which was super cute. She didn't look like she was very old.
High schooler maybe?
High schooler probably. So she got some little giraffes. So we invited her to come on over to the beading group. She wants to be a part. And then Jefferson got a he got a keychain for our keys, which he already put on there. Bunton, what are you doing? Huh?
Did you see the keys?
Yeah, I don't know where they went.
Oh, I just put them in my pocket.
Oh, Jefferson's got them in his pocket. I can show them right here. Yeah, she made this little keychain, so we had to get that with the elephant on it. Super cute. Okay, I'll flip my camera so that we can take a look at the books. He has a catnip cat toy, which we bought at the show. They're handmade, hand-grown catnip. And he has it up here. And he's just having a lovely time. So anyway, these are cute. Jefferson got this for my grandma from a lady. I'd never seen this before. So this is a... Zoom in. This is for your glasses. So the back is a magnet. It comes off. Then you put your clothes on. Like so. So this hangs in the front. This goes in the back. And then she says you can loop your glasses on there so you don't have to wear them on your head and mess your hair all up, she said. So there you go. Jefferson got that from my grandma because my grandma can never find her glasses even when they're on her head. Okay. And then I want to talk about these books. So these books are by, I want to share, this is from Little Thin Treasures. These are called Garden Mini Journals. And she doesn't sell online or anything. Her card, let me see. No, she has an email. She has an email and she has an Instagram. If you want to give her a shout out, you can screenshot here if you are interested, but that's about all that it says. So these are so cute. I got a whole bunch of them. So these are going to be my little journals. You know I love a journal. Let me zoom out. So these are made out of seed packages, right? From seeds. Are they not the cutest? And then they're just little junk journals. And I love that for me. And I bought a whole bunch of them. Like 5 of them. To put my little things on. You know how I love little things. So I thought these were very cool. So the ones that she had out, it was her and another gal. I don't know if they were together or what the deal. I mean, like selling at the show together, or if maybe they were sisters, or they were in business together. I'm not sure. They didn't specify if they were making these as a team. They were funny. I invited them to the morning coffee. This is cute. But the thing I really liked about these ones specifically is that they are stitched on the sewing machine. All around, they're stitched on the sewing machine, and I like that. So I thought that was cute. And I have all kinds of little things I can put in here. But she did, the one gal told me that everything was really spring because they were trying to get ready for spring. And they were trying to really make it springy, so they had a whole bunch of like bunny stuff and Easter things, kind of, you know, Easter chickens and eggs and bunny rabbits and that whole, the gardening, like that whole thing. And so that was kind of their deal. But I suppose if you needed something a little different, I could probably email her, or you could email her about it. So this is one of the little books. So these ones were only 12 bucks, which is a smashing deal in my opinion. And they don't have a closure, but they come with this little like ribbon. So I got this one. I got cucumbers. I got this guy. And then I got zinnias. I'll probably give this one to my grandma because she really likes zinnias. She plants zinnias every year. And of course they're all different. And then I got this guy here. Jefferson says nobody cares if you're filming any kind of videos. This one is called Little Cottontail. And this is also a journal. I'm going to try to do this way with this camera. I don't know if it's going to work. We shall see. Don't think it's tall enough to give us the full effect. So let's try down. No. So these guys are a little bit bigger, but anyway, go like this. So these are really cool. They all have all the little pockets, and it still includes the story, which I thought was cute. And again, the sewing, the stitching on of the pockets, which I really like. So this will be my next, probably my next bead journal. It's got all kinds of stuff, and it's got lots of pages. I think this one was $30, but it's got lots of pages, and it's got the little sewing, which is what I like. And back here, it's got different graph papers and things. And it still includes the book, which I thought was cute. So yeah. Oh, and then another thing that I liked about it, when I opened it up and I flipped the first couple of pages, one of the first pages was, oh, right here, from Bambi. Do you guys remember the Bambi book? It doesn't even show Bambi on here, but I know for a fact that this is a Bambi illustration with the skunk and the thumper. What was the skunk's name in Bambi? Flower. The skunk's name was Flower and the bunny was Thumper. Yeah, so I thought that was super cute. Now these are in another language, which I think is French, but I'm not sure. Oh, maybe not. No, that's not French. Is that German? Anyways, I'm not sure. But there we go. So that is what Jefferson and I have been doing in lieu of working.
Went and had fun.
We went and had some fun. I thought it was totally worth it. Here's my little ghost. He's so cute. But yeah, so that's what we got into. So what we got into over the weekend. Super good. Hope you're all having a wonderful, spectacular, amazing beading day. And if you're not, might I suggest hitting up a little craft show could do wonders for your creativity. All right, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you do a like, hit subscribe. Wait, no, what did I say? Smash like, subscribe, do all the YouTube things. And I will see you guys on Monday for the Claim It Live bead sale. Bye, guys.